Good everybody, welcome to today's video. Today's video, we're going to do a little bit of thread repair. If you guys would have watched that video a little while ago with that real cool thread extractor or bolt extractor, it works slick, but sometimes if a fastener is seized pretty good, the threads will get damaged on their way out. I did try to chase the threads with a tap, but they were too far gone. So as you guys just seen, I picked up this thread repair kit from Amazon. Now, people may refer to these as coils. That's actually the brand name. This is not a coil kit. This is from 8 Mile Lake, I believe. So the one we're going to be using to repair is the 8 by 1.25 millimeter in this kit. So we're going to start off by using this drill bit to drill through the hole. Then we're going to tap it and put some Loctite on the little coil right there. Use this tool to thread it in, this tool to break off the end, and then we should be good to go. So take our drill bit that corresponds with the one in the kit. So this is where the fun begins. I can see the threads. So you got to be careful because the hole's already pretty close to the size, and when the hole's pretty close to the size, you can easily damage your drill bit. I can see right there it's going to catch. So there you go. I just drilled her through. I'm going to take my corresponding tap, and if you have a tap socket, that works the best. And then cut new threads. I believe I'm through now, so we'll just spin this out. Probably won't see. As you can see, the new threads are cut. Now, providing that you don't damage those, if ever whatever reason that the insert comes out, you will be able to put a new one in, no problems. So let's grab our insert and then we'll stick it in. So this is my insert, and you see that tab on the bottom? This tool has a little notch in there. So then you just stick it in like that and you're going to turn it. So I'm going to get some blue Loctite on that, and then we're going to thread her in. I got this bottle of Loctite, but seems to be drying out in the tab. So I just scoop some off the top. Take the tool. Get it in. Maybe I'll go one more turn. So then we got this tool right here, which is just your punch. Stick it in your hole and it busts that tab off so you can insert your bolt. Put it in. Believe I got her. So now that the insert's in, should be able to feed my bolt all the way through. We're done and we're tight, fixed. There you have it, we're all fixed. The biggest question people are going to ask is, how strong is it? I have used these coils for many years and never had an issue. The only issue you're going to have is once this seizes in place, if you have to remove it, there's probably 75% chance that the coil is going to come out with it, which in that case you put in another one and you Loctite it in place. I used blue Loctite. You could use red, it's permanent, but I used the blue, and hopefully I won't have to take that out again. But if it does, you know, I got an endless supply of coils almost, so I won't have to worry about it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. These kits are worth their weight in gold, especially if you don't want to, like in this case, there's the nuts welded on the inside and it's already been painted. So unless you want to, you know, bust that nut off and weld a new one in and do the whole process, this is definitely a lot cleaner. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I want to thank you guys for watching.